Are you tired of working long shifts and still struggling to make ends meet? What if you could earn extra income trading in just 30 minutes a day, without sacrificing your time or energy? Welcome to the Trading Scrub Team, the trading community designed specifically for nurses. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking for a side hustle, we'll teach you how to trade confidently and profitably. Here's what you'll get: a free course that breaks down trading step by step. Live trading sessions where you can watch and learn in real time. A supportive community of nurses like you, turning their skills into profits. In just 30 minutes a day, you can start building a second income while keeping your nursing career. Nurses are natural traders. Your discipline, attention to detail, and patience make you perfectly suited for success in the markets. Don't wait, spots are limited, and this opportunity won't last forever. Join us now, and take the first step toward financial freedom. Click the link below to get started for free. This is your moment. Don't miss it.